Unlocking English, Mastering Prefixes. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of the English language, prefixes. Understanding prefixes can greatly enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension skills. So, let's get started. Prefixes are groups of letters that we add at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, the prefix un, added to the word happy, changes its meaning to not happy, giving us the word unhappy. There are numerous prefixes in the English language. Some of the most common ones include un, re, in, dis, en, ex, pre, pro, sub, and super. Each of these prefixes has a specific meaning and is used in different contexts. For instance, re means again or back, in, un, and dis mean not, en, is used to cause a condition. Ex means out of, or former. Pre means before. Pro means for. Sub means under, or below. And super means above, or over. Using prefixes correctly can significantly expand your vocabulary and help you express complex ideas more concisely. When using a prefix, it is essential to make sure it is compatible with the base word and matches the meaning you intend to convey. For example, re can be used with do to form redo, which means to do something again. But re cannot be used with every verb. It doesn't make sense to say re-eat, even though we understand the intended meaning. The best way to master prefixes is to practice. Start by identifying the prefixes in the words you come across in your reading or daily life. Then, try to use those words in your conversations or writing. You will soon find that your ability to understand, learn, and use new words has significantly improved. That wraps up our discussion on prefixes, a truly powerful tool to enhance your English vocabulary. Remember, the more you practice using and recognizing prefixes, the better your English will become. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.